Gomez. Gomez. Off, takes. Step back. Oh, supalpal! Supalpal na ako pa. Nalibre! Finish! Javier dito, didiscard. Played away shot. Bucket for 2. Javier. That's side. Sa 3. Bam! Pass the foul! Baka-baka! At nagmamadali. Diretso! And a bucket for 2! There. Number 1 pass. Wide pass off the glass. He spins. That's good for 2. Nagmamadali dito. Number 10, Monte. Race sa 3. Bam! Sarmiento. Natapikan at nagawa ni Javier. Bagsak si Idol. And on the corner here, pull up Jay. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa quarterfinals ng Intertown ng Bulacan para sa laban ng Bukawi at Giginto. John Ball versus Javier and Bondok. First ball, Bukawi. And now, setting the play here. Number 1 on the corner. Launch 3. Back! First blood! And here's Team Giginto. Gomez. Pass to Sae. Side step. Fires butat ang inabot. And pass break ngayon. Number 1 loop. Fires off the glass. And good for 2. Back to back para sa Team Bukawi. And here's Team Giginto. Number 6 here. Pass it to Gomez. Gomez screenan ni Javier. Bounce pass to Javier. Fires. Yes sir. Bumawi. And here's number 1 for Team Bukawi. And a cross pass there. Number 1 pass inside. Fires off the glass. He spins. That's good for 2. And that's Bondok. Side number 0. Pass to number 6. Spins. Pull up J. No good. Rebound Bondok. Bondok pass to number 1. And stops at that side. Sa 3. Bam! Pass the foul! Baka-baka! Mensa. Pass inside, libre of the glass, Javier, finish. And number 1 here, passes to number 24. Gumatay, makapagal, drives behind the back pass. And here's pull up J. Bucket for 2. Gomez. Pass it to Javier. Javier dito, didiscarte, atake, space. Played away shot, bucket for 2, Javier. Number 1 here for Team Bukawi. At the corner, pass it back to number 1. And here's Makapagal, number 30. Natapikan at nagawa ni Javier. Bagsak si Idol. Gomez. Pass to Javier. Pass it to number 21, Villanueva. Launch, bang! 3 points! And here's number 1 now. Gumatay, pass to number 30, Makapagal, number 18 now, floater shot, in and out, battle for rebound here, nakuha ni Gomez. Gomez dito, pass to Mensa, pass on the corner, umatake, spins, pinasa sa loob, Wender, finding the right map, and sa corner, behind, between the legs, 3 ball, kicks to the middle, wide open for 3, too strong, rebound, corner, pasok yan! And for the back, the rebound here, sa gitna, sa 3, But nothing but net. Gomez ngayon. Pass it to number 21, Villanueva. Javier sa tres. Bang! Off the glass! And for the inbound there, the bounce pass there, fires. Bucket for two, Javier. Saktong-sakto, pumasok yan. And that's Villanueva. And here's De Guzman. Fake, stop. Sa gitna, nabitawan, natapikan. And nandito na naman ang Team Giginto lays up. And back to back to. Oop, umangat yung binti. Sa loob. Kakaldag dito, fires off the glass. And a bucket for two. And here's there. Team Giginto, number 21, Villanueva sa tres. Bam! 3 points! And here's number 30, Macapagal. Pass it to number 24, Macapagal. Pass it to De Guzman sa tres. Oh, comes up off the mark, number 24, the rebound. And Macapagal, long three. Bam! 3 points! And Monte here, number 10. Pass to Mensa. Mensa dito, kukuha ng screen kay Javier. Monte drives, kicks on the corner. Villanueva tries. No good. The rebound by the big man of number 41, Rocha. Macapagal, long pass there. Pass back, Macapagal again, wide open for a three. Bam! Back to back, Monte drives. Nope, natapikan na agawan. Pass break ngayon. Number 24, easy basket. Ombao sa gitna, Bondok. Fakes, drives. Pass inside, libre si Rocha. Oh, hawa, pumasok. And here's Team Giginto. De Guzman. Pass it to the middle, number 7 there. Sa tres. Bang! Sarmiento, 3! Nagmamadali dito, number 10, Monte. Race sa tres. Bang! That's number 1, 2. Pass it back. Oh, puntik ng maagaw. Fix, bounce pass inside. Bondok hill, kumaldag. Poke shot, pasok yan. Bondok. Yes there, attacks. Slays, too strong. The rebound up. Bondok kumaldag. Spins, fires, court, put back shot, and the finish. Bondok. Landayan, di-discarte dito. Atake, create space, fade away shot. Money! Fade away. Landayan. And here's number 1. Gumatay, pass it to Macapagal sa gitna. Side step wise, bucket for 2. Mensa, boys, the corner 3. Bang! 3 point! Landayan. Landayan spins. Pull up J. Manny! Landayan! And here's number 6, Landayan. Oops, offensive foul. At dito nag-iisa, solo flight mode. Uy, uy, uy! Lagot ka! Binangga ni Idol. Puter, pasok yan! And Macapagal here. To number 24, Macapagal, libreng-libre sa tres. Bam! 3 points, Macapagal. And here's Mensa. Mensa drives, kumaldag. Kicks out, corner 3. Bam! Gomez 3. There you go, nakalusot si Idol. 4 versus 2, Pinameco stays good for 2. Umbao, third quarter, Umbao. Passes to Macapagal. Bondok. Ombao. Ombao pass inside, number 18 here. Bounce pass to Bondok. Fires. Oh, basket for 2. Gomez. Gomez. Corner 3. Bang! 3-point! Ombao, corner 3. Short, rebound, number 18 spins, spikes, fires, clutch. No good, put back shot. Oh, no basket. Menha. Menha side step, pass inside, fires, may find that. Javier, Gomez, pass to Menha. Menha, pass to Gomez, pass inside. Ang gandang pass zone and the finish by Villanueva. And here you go, Team Bukawi here dribbling the ball, passes to number 25. Didiskarte dito. Kasi attacks, kicks out, wide open for 3, bench, no good. And here's number 24 here, pass to number 25, drives, side step, floater shot, won't go, fires full, and the putback. 25 here. Racing, they discard the side step, the floater left-handed shot, and the putback shot. The second chance made it for the finish. That's good for 2 by Racing number 25. And here's number 6 now. He's slowly moving down. Mensa sa gilid, sa 3. In and out, putback shot, basket and 1 Javier. To Racing, Racing here. Bounce pass on the corner. Ombao, pass to Racing. Racing sa salida, pinasa sa gilid, launches 3. Bang! 3 points! Mensa sa corner, drives, nakagawan ng bola, na-recover. Oh, pumahat, pumusod, De Guzman for 2. Pass inside, libreng-libre, De Guzman, hindi, number 4, Ombao. Ombao at the middle, pinasa ngayon kay number 41, Rocha on the corner. Racing, pinilit, pasok, at the buzzer. At nagmamadali dito, dire-diretso, and a bucket for 2. Magapagal. Number 24, Ombao, crossover move, stops, pull up J, bucket for 2. And on the corner here, pull up J. Oh. And here's number 21, De Guzman stops, pass it there, launches 3, bang! Magapagal. Number 20, number 6, floater shot, yes sir. Racing dito, using the screen, crossover, attacks, pass inside, foul, and the finish. Gomez, takes, step back, Supalpal na ako pa, Racing, spins, na libre, finish! Grabe! And change favor na tayo mga idol. Launches 3, Gomez. Bang! 3 points! And for the inbound here, number 24, Ombao. Hoy! Magkamali! And here's number 6. Oh, no good. Put back shot. Oh, goaltending. It's accounted, John. Gomez, natabi ka, nakakawan. Fast break ngayon. And number 24, easy basket, Ombao. Nice the game. Ay, hindi pala. Still, lamang pa rin. Nang 2 sa 3. Bang! 3 boys now. Ombao. Yung natagi si Gomez. Pull up J. Bucket for 2, Ombao. Pass there. Pass back sa 3. Uno good. Rebound. And binalik yung bola. Oop. Traveling, no basket. Mensa. Oop, nakagawan. Chest pass there. Di Guzman. Rocha. Pop takes. Omar na libre. Lays. And good for two. Landayan. Natapikan. Na-recover. Pinabitin. Pasok yan. Villanueva. Mensa, side step tuloy-tuloy. No good for follow-up shot by Gumatay. Hits sa tres. Magapagal. Too strong. And dinitbid. Easy bucket. Mensa. 10 second shot clock. Titira dito sa loob si Bondok. Pasok yan. Mensa, dumiretso, pinabitin. Pasok yan, Mensa. Magapagal. Corner, drive. Open for 3. Bang! 3 points on bound. And there you go, drive. Next pass inside, pinabitin. And here, Ombaw. Stop. Oy! Wow! Pinasa, side step. Play is no good. 3 versus 2, bumangga. Oh, basket and 1. And here you go. Top pull up J. Javier. Basket for 2. Boom. Bang. Ayan yung Steam Bukawis. Oop. Floater shot. No good. Nagkatapikan. Rebound Racing. Giginto. Stop. Takes. 1. Too strong. Put back shot. Mensa. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations team. 1 Giginto.